This video will show you how to install software when you receive the printer. This metal USB key with all programs in. First, let's plug in into the computer. Here the first file including all software. The second file is instruction in PDF form. The first file with all videos to show you how to test the printer, how to install software, how to print, how to prepare, how to set your printer ready for print. Let's come into the first file. First, let's install the driver, LA05 driver. This computer is 64-bit, so we install the second one. This one with 64-bit. Go. 你要咬嘅喎。We set the LPD1 as the printer port. You can see the driver is ready. Here we show you very important setting. From here you can see the Epson LA05 series. We set the software update setting. Please set into Dev, and also please remember Dev update the software. Dev, please. Thank you. And here we show you how to install RIP 903. This one. Before install this one, we install the VBBC file. Thank you. 進度條行完咗。Here, it will take you about 2 or 3 minutes. The VBBC file is installed successfully. Now we install this ACRIP 9.03. Before open this file, we must plug in this white USB key. And then we close it. We do the final step, install the Q file. We copy this file to local C system file. you can see the ACRIP file, and then we paste to the media file, and then we copy the second file, this one, copy into the file CMYK, and then we open this file again. First, we can set the unit in millimeter and set the print left to right guidelines. Select the print left to right guidelines. Set the left line in 1 and the right line in 0, and then click apply and cancel. We select this 1440Q file and select the right port LPT1, which we already set it. Set the ICC profile on, select this file and OK. You save. Save. Yes. Then it's ready. Here we have some output position and some photo. You can move into it. Here is layout. You can set the X in 40, Y in 20. After set your print ready, you can test, you can print. Thank you.